Well, I guess you have to have a degree to work at microphone, daggone it. Sometimes it works and sometimes it don't. I can't figure it out. I don't know. I'll keep trying. So we're gonna be back to the old microphone. Sorry about the background noise. I'll figure something out. Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. Friday morning. I mowed all this yesterday. Super excited about it. This really looks good. I think all the hard work and all is paid off. It's turning into a nice front yard. For those of you that are new, this is Bermuda grass, okay? We killed everything off, renovated, leveled out, added irrigation, basically went the whole 9 yards. And all this is Bermuda. What you see on this side, the color you're looking at is predominantly Bermuda. I did overseed some Kentucky bluegrass into it, and it's little teeny tiny, so it's not prevalent yet, so it's not to where you can really see it good, but it's on the way. It's coming in pretty good. Now over on that far side over there, I overseeded the Bermuda with ryegrass, okay? That's a pretty common practice with athletic fields and golf courses. Some residentials do it as well, because you know the Bermuda is going to go dormant during the winter and turn paper sack brown, and so I want some color. And so ryegrass is the way I went. And then over here with the bluegrass, we're just gonna leave it permanently throughout the year, so it'll be a bluegrass Bermuda mix, and we'll just see how it does. Now I know that's weird if you knew, you know, most of the time you wouldn't mix Bermuda and Kentucky bluegrass together, but I'm a weird guy. I like doing weird stuff, so that's kind of why I did it. Now this strip right here, this entire strip goes all the way around. Goes along the woods over there a little bit. All this is going to be plants and bushes, and we'll put some flowers in there and all that kind of stuff. Not completely sure what I'm going to do yet. I got an idea. This rope, where you see this rope right here, that is going to be a black aluminum fence that'll come over and attach to my pole right there. What I'm probably going to end up doing is put a little bit nicer pole than this. I need to clean up my mess on it. I'm gonna probably swap this thing out right here and put me something nicer and run this all the way over to that telephone pole and put me a really big gate. May put one of those ones that slides in instead of swings out. So not real sure what I'm gonna do with that yet. I'm still thinking about it, but I do know there's gonna be a black fence right here, and right about center of it, I don't know, somewhere right around in here, we're gonna stick us a big old flag pole. And man, I cannot wait to get that thing up in the air and fly it. And let's see if you can look down in there real close. You can see that. That right there is some of your baby blues right there. Little baby Kentucky bluegrass. It's coming on in. So hey, just wanted to give you a quick update. I got to get with it. We're still aerating and seeding yards. We got about a week left, and I got to get that finished up. I got a couple of yards I got to get done today. So hey, like, subscribe, and share, and tell all your buddies. We're a yard channel, so if you like yard stuff, hang around and watch. Got some big time changes coming for 2021. Can't wait to share all those with you. And again, I like what I see. It's really cool. I'm gonna probably come out here and do a little bit of spoon feeding on the ryegrass side. I'll probably do maybe some green effects, some 700, and see if I can't darken it up just a touch. Matter of fact, it's basically an iron product. I may do it on the whole thing. That way I can try to darken the whole yard up a little bit and maybe lock in some of that color before we get super cold. Say again, appreciate you taking time out of your day or your morning. Well, it's morning here. I don't know where it is for you, but I appreciate it. I'll check you later.